Hey everyone, it's wonderful to see you all again. In this video, I will guide you on how to create captivating animation videos. Alright, let's kickstart our journey. Open the website by clicking on the link provided in the comment box. Here you can see text to video, animation, audio to video, and more. We need text to animation. Choose the video ratio and category from here. Add your script here by scene. You can create your script using ChatGPT or similar tools. Copy and paste the created script here by scene. And then type here what the video about. After that, click Next. Select a design style from the options provided above that you would like your video to imitate. I selected this one. You can personalize the video right here. Simply click on Change Layout to modify the layout of the videos. You can modify the character or property by clicking on it and selecting Change Property. From the wide array of characters available, simply choose the one that suits your scene. Click on the character to change its expression. Select an expression that suits your character. Click on the character again to change its action. Choose an appropriate action from the options available for the scene. Okay. I found one for my scene. I also need to modify the action of this character. Inner peace? Okay, got it. All right, everyone. The scenes are set and ready. You can now add transitions from here. Once you're done, remember to click Apply to all scenes. The next step is adding the voiceover, where you have the option to record your own voice or use the Steve AI voice. In my case, I'll be using Steve's voice. You have the option to include background music if desired. After setting everything up, click the Publish button and then proceed to click the Download option to download the video. The wait is over. Our animation video is good to go. Let's play it.
In today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety seem to be constant companions, the pursuit of a mindful and balanced life has become more important than ever. Mindful living is an art that allows us to cultivate awareness, be fully present in the moment, and find inner peace amidst the chaos. By embracing mindfulness and incorporating it into our daily lives, we can enhance our lives, improve relationships, and experience a greater sense of meaning. In the chaotic world we live in, mindful living is fundamental. It encourages us to navigate the challenges with grace and embrace.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.